Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make a personal portfolio using Canva. Alright, let's begin. The first step is to go to canva.com and sign in with your account. If you don't have one, you can create it for free. Canva has both a free and a pro version. The free version already includes plenty of tools, fonts, and templates, but the pro version unlocks even more advanced features. For most people, the free version is enough to design a professional portfolio. Once you log in, I would have asked you to click on the Create a Design button at the top left. But instead of starting from a blank canvas, it's better to use ready-made templates. On the left side, you'll see the Templates section. Click on it and wait for it to load. Now, in the search bar, type a special keyword Portfolio. Canva will show you dozens of layouts designed specifically for personal or professional portfolios. Choose a template that matches your field. For example, if you are a graphic designer, you might see clean layouts with space for images and creative fonts. If you are in marketing, you might find modern designs with bold headings and placeholders for campaigns. Select the template you like and click Customize this template. Canva will then open the design editor with all fonts, colors, and layout elements ready for you. Now it's time to personalize it. Start with the first page. Replace the placeholder's name with your own full name. Like, just for the sake of this video, I will write here John Doe. After that, add a title or tagline under your name, such as graphic designer, marketing specialist, or content creator. You can also add the year to make your portfolio look updated. Next, adjust the colors. By default, templates come with their own color palette, but you can change it. If the design uses the color you don't like and you prefer, let's say, blue and white, simply select the color swatch and change it. Let me just change the color just for an example. Remember, keeping a consistent color scheme across all pages is important for professionalism. Now let's move to the images. Open your computer's File Explorer and prepare a folder with all your past work. Collect images, posters, flyers, videos, or any designs you want to showcase. In Canva, go to the Uploads tab, then drag and drop all those files into Canva. You can then replace the placeholder images in the template with your own work. This makes the portfolio fully yours. For example, if the template has a picture of a random office, delete it and insert your real project screenshot. If it shows a sample flyer, replace it with one you designed. Canva's drag and drop feature makes this quick and simple. If you want to get creative, go to the Elements tab. Here you can search for icons, illustrations, and shapes. For example, you can add a line divider, geometric shapes, or modern icons that match your field. Replace any unnecessary elements from the template with new ones that represent your style. Once the first page is complete, add a new page. You can either duplicate the first page to keep the design consistent, or choose a new template for variety. To duplicate a page, right-click on it, and then click on Duplicate Page, or you can press Ctrl+D on keyboard. To add a new page, simply click on this plus icon. Now on this page, first go to the Design section and choose another template that you like. After finding one, click on it to add this on your page. Now here, create a section called About Me. Write a short professional introduction, who you are, what you specialize in, and your career goals. Keep it clear and concise. After that, add another page for your projects. Title it Selected Works or Portfolio Highlights. Here, showcase your best work. Insert images of your top projects along with short descriptions. For example, if you are a designer, add logos, branding samples, or social media posts. If you are a writer, include screenshots of published articles or blogs. Always prioritize quality over quantity. Pick only your strongest work. Now create another page for case studies or detailed projects. Instead of just images, explain the process. For example, if you worked on a marketing campaign, describe the objective, your role, the strategy, and the results. This demonstrates not only your creative ability but also your problem-solving and professional approach. Next, create a contact page. This should include your email, phone number, LinkedIn, and portfolio website if you have one. Keep the design simple and professional. You can add icons for each contact method to make it more visually appealing. Once you have all your pages designed, review the portfolio carefully. Check fonts, colors, and alignment to ensure consistency. Make sure your name appears on every page or footer. Consistency is key in a professional portfolio. When you are satisfied, click the Share button at the top right. For portfolios, the best option is PDF Standard. Select all pages so the entire portfolio is included and click on Download. After downloading, open the file on your computer to preview. This lets you see exactly how it will look when you send it to employers or clients. If needed, go back and make adjustments. Maybe you want to swap an image, rewrite some text, or change a color. Canva makes edits simple, so you can always refine your portfolio. The great thing about Canva is that it saves your project automatically. You can log back in anytime, update your portfolio, and re-download it. This is useful because your career will grow and you'll want to add new projects regularly. Now let's talk about making your portfolio stand out. One way is by organizing it with clear navigation. Add page numbers and section titles so readers can easily move through it. Another tip is to keep the balance between visuals and text. Too much text can overwhelm the reader, while too many images without explanation can confuse them. Aim for a clean layout with short, precise descriptions. You can also personalize the design by adding a signature style. For example, if you often use certain colors in your projects, make them part of your portfolio's theme. If your work focuses on minimalism, keep the portfolio minimal as well. This way, the portfolio reflects not just your projects, but also your overall design personality. Once your portfolio is finished, think about how to share it. You can send it as a PDF attachment in job applications, upload it to LinkedIn, or host it on a website. Canva also lets you publish your design as a view-only link, which is helpful for quickly sharing it online without downloading. Finally, remember that a portfolio is never truly complete. It evolves as you grow. Set a reminder to update it every few months. Add new projects, remove outdated ones, and polish the design. A regularly updated portfolio shows that you are active and committed to your craft. A personal portfolio created in Canva is more than just a document. It's your professional identity. It helps you present your work in a polished and creative way, whether you're applying for a job, freelancing, or showcasing your talent online. So that's basically how you can make a personal portfolio using Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.